Welcome home. This wildly popular, open floor plan features versatile living areas, making it the perfect fit for any family. Kitchen includes breakfast bar, eat-in area and walk-in pantry. Spacious master suite with beautiful nature views has huge walk-in closet, tub, and separate shower. Enjoy the outside from your tiled, screened-in patio with no neighbors behind you. Fully fenced-in yard is ready for children and/or pets. Roof 2019. Newer front door and carpeting, cathedral ceilings, hurricane shutters and laundry room. Located in the highly desirable Auburn Lakes of Viera. Great community amenities, pool, playground and nearby park with tennis courts, basketball courts and more. Move-in ready.